Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are just following us for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and share our videos. Okay, so if you are here in this channel right now watching this video, that means you are looking for how to make money online, right? And that is what Think Technology channel is all about. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, we are going to be designing this beautiful website, Bitcoin investment website that you see on your screen right now together. Okay, I'm going to guide you with the step-by-step method of how to design this beautiful investment websites that you are seeing on your screen right now. Okay, so but before then, let me show you the features of the websites and what the website is all about. As you can see, it has so many features and it is looking very beautiful and colorful, right? You can also switch to the light mode or the dark mode. Can you see that? So if you also need an app for the website, or if you have any website that you want to convert into an app, chat me on WhatsApp and I'm going to help you and convert your website into an app. If you are also looking on how to, learn, if you want to learn how to convert a website into an app, chat me up and I'll show you that. So once you do that, you can add it here on the website. So as you can see, it's looking very beautiful and sleek. So let's log in into the website so that I will show you how it works. Beautiful. Can you see that? So I already have an account. That's why it was able to log me in to their dashboard directly. So, but if you don't have an account, you can just go back here. Let me show you how to create an account on this website. Okay, guys. Um, so this is the dashboard, right? This is the dashboard. And if you want to deposit, here is where you make the deposit. Okay, it's telling us to log in. I'm going to log in. Can you see that once you click on deposit, it's going to show here. So you can select payment method that you want. So if you add crypto payments, you can add your Bitcoin, you can add your USDT, you can add your Ethereum wallet here. Can you see that? So once you select the payment method, you can now select the amounts. You select the amounts that you want to deposit, right? And click on proceed to payments. Can you see that? So when you click on proceed to payments, it's going to show you the amount has been paid and added into your account. Can you see that? So that is it about the deposit. If you want to deposit again, you can still do the same, right? So, but why it's showing like this is because we've not set up any payment method. So let's go to the admin side and set up a payment method. This is the admin, right? So we'll continue to set up the payment method. You can just click here, then you can put your logo. Can you see that? So you can name this B2C. Can you see that? So you can just set everything up here. If you want them to upload their receipts, you can add it here. If you want them to upload, so here, come here, change this to file upload, and you can now come here and put in your wallet address, right? After doing that, you can come here and save changes. You save changes, right? So when you go now back here and refresh our deposit page, let me say I can now come here, select gateway. I'll see BTC here. I'll click on BTC payment method. Then I'll click on one BTC here. Transaction ID. I'm going to provide anything as a transaction ID, right? So this is just for training purpose. So you can just upload the receipt here, right? So after that, click on proceed to payment. Sorry, the network is slow, but it is going to load. So you just have to exercise some patience whenever you're working on stuff like this, right? Awesome. Can you see that the amount has been paid and added to your account? So when you go now into your admin and come down here to deposit, you check pending manual deposits. Awesome. Can you see that? So this is our own. So when we come here, you are going to see the receipt here. You can now approve it. You can now decide to they are going to send you the payment. So when you receive the receipt and confirm their deposit, just click on approve here. Can you see that you have approved it from admin? So when you come back here to your dashboard as a user and refresh it, Sorry, network is slow. Let me change. Awesome. Can you see that the amount have been credited here? So once you deposit money into your account, you can now click on invest. So can you see that you are going to choose any investment method that you want, then fill it up. Once you are done, just click on invest now. Okay. So this is all transaction. This is where all the transaction you've made on your account will appear here. This is where they are going to apply. So add money is the same thing with deposits. We've talked about it. So let me just look for the one you've not talked about. Okay, this is wallet exchange. Can you see that? You can exchange your wallet from profit to your main wallet. You can transfer it. This is where you can do all that. If you want to move your money from profit to your main wallet, if you want to send money, you can also send money to a user, another user, right? All you have to do is provide the user email and the amount and click on send money, and it is going to admin is going to receive it and process it, right? So this is the withdraw. If you want to withdraw your funds, this is where you can do that. So but before you can do that, you have to verify your account with KYC. Or if you don't want your user to verify the account with KYC, you can turn it off from the admin. So all these things is what I'm going to be giving to you. So if you need access to this script, chat me up. I'm going to give you access to this script, right? So we've talked about everything. Let me show you guys more about the website so that you can see. So if you need access to this script, chat me up. I'll give you access. It doesn't matter where you are watching from. If you're watching us from outside Nigeria, if you're watching from Nigeria, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description below this video. So all you have to do is chat me up. I'm going to give you access to this file. So without wasting much of your time, I want us to start designing this website. I'm going to show you step by step method of how I was able to design this beautiful website. I don't know, sorry guys. Okay, I've loaded. So this is the partner with us. You can also the website also um, provide affiliate marketing. Can you see that? Can you see that? Beautiful. So about us. This is about us page. This is the about us page. As you can see, it's looking very beautiful and well arranged. Right. So if you have an app, you can provide the link to your app here, and so on and so forth. This is the contact us page. So this is the contact us page. Can you see that? So without wasting time, let's get started on how I was able to design this beautiful website, right? I'm going to show you everything. So all you have to do is watch till the end of this video Okay, so when you come to your cPanel, after I've given you access to the script, so all you have to do is come here on the file manager, click on the file manager here. When you click on the file manager, look for a public underscore HTML file. Look at it here. You now open it. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you access to the website. So, but when you when you receive it, all you have to do then again is to do what? Upload it here if you just bought a domain and hosting, right? But if you have an already existing website inside your public underscore HTML, all you have to do is create a new folder. Can you see it? When you come here, click on folder here. Then you can name it anything you want. I can name it as test, right? So I'm going to create a new folder. So once you create a new folder, open the new folder, and that is where you are going to upload the script I'm going to be giving you access to. So if you need access to the script, chat me on WhatsApp, I'll give you access to it, right? You click. So once you open the folder here, you see that the new folder I created is empty, right? And I did not post, I'm not going to upload my file inside the public underscore HTML because I already have a website there. So that's why I created the test folder. So once you open the new folder, you can just come here, click on upload to upload the script I'm going to give you access to. Then click on select file. So the name of the script is text here. Don't worry, just follow the instructions. At the end of this video, chat me up. I'll give you access to the script, right? So I'll click on it and click on open. So I'm going to allow this blue bar here to turn green before I will leave this tab, right? So you can be doing other things like eating your snacks, drinking your Pepsi, just to, wait for this to complete. Please do not leave this tab until this blue bar here turns green. So we're just going to wait while our file is uploading, right? So if you've not subscribed to our channel, please hit the. So remember, you just have to wait until this blue bar turns green before you close the tab, right? So you just have to be patient. That's one characteristic of a web designer. You need to be patient. If not, you are not going to get the same result with me. So make sure you pay attention and follow the steps that I followed so that you'll be able to get the same result with me at the end, right? Awesome. Can you see that? Can you see that the blue bar have turned green and is showing 100%? That means our file have finished uploading, right? So we can now go here now and close our tab. So when you close your tab, come back here inside your the folder that you created and refresh. So you are going to see the zip file that we uploaded here. All you have to do is right click on it and extract the files inside the folder that you created, right? Because we already have a website in our public underscore HTML. So I'll just go ahead here now and click on extract files. Awesome. So I'm going to move the file here into our folder, right? So I'm going to select all, click on move here, then erase this first text and move our file inside here. Beautiful. So when I go back here now and refresh, can you see that the file is already in our folder? So I can now go ahead and delete this one. Awesome. Can you see that? So once you have successfully uploaded your website, the file into your website, all you have to do now is to go and create a database. A database is kind of a way to link your front end to the back end, right? Like right now, if I visit my website, it's going to be showing my the front end only, right? But when if I try to log in, it's not going to work, right? Let me show you guys what I mean. Copy this, then come to this new tab here. Awesome. Can you see that the front end is loading? Can you see that? Beautiful. This is just beautiful. Can you see it here? So I'm going to be giving you access to this file, and all you need to do is follow the same steps and method that I followed, and they are going to what? Get it done. Within 30 minutes you are done, right? So like I said, the next thing we have to do is go and create our database to link our front end to the back end. Don't worry, we are going to do it together right now. So what you have to do is go back to your cPanel here, look for the my database wizard. Can you see it here? Click click on this database wizard. So it's going to ask you to choose a name for your database, right? You can name it anything, just name it something that you will remember. I can name it something like uh, user tests okay, user test DB, right? We are still going to save all these details because we are going to be needing it, right? So they will also tell you to choose a database username. So the database username I'm going to choose is user test user. Then I'll come here and click on password generator. So I'm going to copy this password. I'll copy it here. Then after you've copied the password, click on I have copied this password in a safe place and click on use password, right? So what I normally do is that I save all these details in a note, right? So I'm just going to open my notes. I'll paste the password here, right? Then I'll come back here and click on create user. Awesome. Can you see that? Then I'll also copy the username and the database. I'll copy it here. I'll copy it and also save it here in my notes. Please make sure you save these details because you are going to be needing it. Okay, so we are not done yet. So you click on all privileges after you have copied it into your notes and click on next step. Awesome. Can you see that user was added to the database? So we are done. So all we have to do now is come back into your file. Then when you are here, this account folder you are seeing here, open it. Then scroll down, you are going to see .env file. But if you cannot see .env file on your own, you don't have to worry. All you have to do is come here over these settings here, click on settings, then check this box here, show hidden files, bracket open .files bracket close, right? Then click on home directory and click on save. Then this .env is going to show on your own. So when it appears on your folder, just edit, click on it to edit it. All right. So once you edit it, come over to this place. Can you see that? Come over to this place. Then all you have to be doing is replace it with what you have here, right? So we'll start with our password. So I'm going to copy our password, copy. Then I'm going to replace it with this password here. Can you see this DB password? I'm going to replace it with this password. I'll do the same thing with the username. So this is the username, right? I'm going to copy the username. Please do not copy spaces. If you copy spaces, it's not going to work for you, right? The username here, right? So I'm going to paste it with my username. Then I will finally come here and copy the database username. So look at it here. I'm going to replace it as well. Awesome. Can you see that? Once you have done all these things, just come to this app URL here, copy your website link. I can just come here now. I'll copy my website link here and I'm going to paste it here, right? So make sure you do the same thing. Then after that, all you have to do now, the last thing you need to do is go back to your cPanel, click on cPanel here. Once you click on cPanel, go to phpMyAdmin. Can you see it here? Click on it to open. So it's going to open. This is the database that we created. So when you click on it, as you can see, it is empty. So I'll just come here and click on import. I'll select choose file. Then I'm going to upload my SQL file. Don't worry, I'll give you access to both the file and the SQL file. When you chat me up on WhatsApp, I'll give you both access, right? I'll click on open to open it. Then after I've opened it, I'll now come here and click on what? Import. Awesome. Import has been successfully finished. 224 queries executed. Can you see that? This is awesome. So when I now go back to my website and refresh it, can you see it? I can now be able to do what? To log in to my user panel. Awesome. Beautiful. Can you see that, guys? This is just wonderful. Can you see that in a space of 30 minutes, you are able to design this beautiful website you are seeing on your screen right now? So if you need access to this file, chat me up. I'll give you access to the file. Okay. This is the admin. So this is the admin. Let me log inside so that you see the admin. And we've talked about everything here. So this is the KYC management. This is where you are going to see the pending KYC on the website. If you reject a KYC, it is going to show here the KYC form. So you can open it up and create a form to, you know, get all the details you need from your clients, right? If you want them to write their name, they are going to put it here. To upload any ID card, yeah, you can still do it here. If you want them to upload more details or IDs, you can click on add field here and you are going to name it. Can you see that? So, but I don't want to do that right now. So this is the customers. This is where you see all your customers, all your clients. This is where they are, the active customers, the disabled customers. You can also choose to send email to all of them, right? As you can see, this script is a very robust and powerful investment website script, right? So here you can also create your, this is where you can create your plans. This is where you can create your plans. Can you see it here? Can you see this is the starter plan, the standard plan, the advanced plan, and the pro plan? So, and you can also make any changes here. You can just upload the image here, choose the name of your plan. Once you choose the name of your plan, you can now go ahead and fill it in. Do you want it to return hour per hour or daily or weekly? So this is where you can set everything up. So when you are done, you can just go ahead and click on update schema. Okay, this is the investment. This is where you are going to see all the investments that is going on the website. And as you can see, it have the days, the hours, and the months. So you can be checking your how your investment is doing or how your client investment is doing. Even from the user side, you can still see all these stuffs. Okay, so what, which one have you not talked about? I think I've talked about withdrawal. So this is the withdrawal, the manual method withdrawal. You can, this is where you can approve or disapprove withdrawal. This is the referral. You can create different types of referral on your website. And this is the settings. This is where you set up everything on the website, like the website name, yes, the website logo. If you want email verification, you can just turn it on, or if you don't want it, you just disable it. If you want users to always complete KYC, you can enable it or disable it, right? Awesome. So if you need access to this script, chat me up on WhatsApp. I will give you access to this script, and you can just follow the same method that I followed, and you are going to get the same result, guys. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.